We're Volcanic Hills Winery, based here in Rotorua at the top of the Skyline gondola. I'm Brent, I'm the owner and the winemaker. The company is myself and my wife Larissa. We set it up in 2009, but we've been here in Rotorua, based in this site that you're sitting in now since 2012. We spent a lot of time looking around New Zealand to find a place that wasn't wine, which sounds weird, but for us, our belief is you take the best of what New Zealand does and you bring it to the people. I think the wine industry comes from your heart, and you either love wine or you don't. Now, in the world of alcohol, some people drink gin, some people drink beer, some people drink wine, and wine largely has moved on a little bit. People have always seen, oh, mum and dad drink wine, so I'll drink wine, try a little bit. It's not until you actually enjoy it that you get your head around it. So for us, it was very much about, instead of growing the grapes and making the wine and everything else, for me, it was, now you've made it, what do you do with it? Because it's like every business. Small business, one of the challenges is not doing what you do, because you have to wear the hat of being the maker. When you're a small business, you also have to sell it, because you only make money when you sell it. Now, the wine industry is lovely because everyone hugs it a lot. But what I love about the wine industry being here is people. This is a people site. This is one of the iconic Rotorua attractions. And when we first came here, we talked to these guys and they said, oh, we'd like to change a little bit. And what we are is the adult part here. We do have a website. Early on in the piece, we didn't really understand. So we did the classic small business. What we'll do is we'll go out and we'll make a static web page. Put lots of information on it, talk all about the wine industry. And then as we started learning about the tourism industry, we realized that your website has to interact with people. It has to work two ways, and it has to provide you not just information, but it has to be regularly updated, and it must offer things. So not just what you do, but how you do it. It must have videos in it, it must have interactive stuff. So there's 360, you can actually see this tasting room on our website. You can also buy it. If you're in Australia and you like what we do, you can buy our product in Australia in Australian dollars. If you're in America, you can buy our product in America, delivered to your door in American dollars. Online has become a better presence through two things. One is, like I said, you continue to work on it. You must work on it. Don't leave it alone. Second one is better, much better social interaction. Now, social media, Instagram, Facebook, we still use Facebook because our market is older. If I said to you, the younger market use different methods, but we are quite traditional. It's quite a stoic. If I said to you, our target market is 45 plus. When we moved into the tourism industry, we thought, let's change our philosophy from being about wine, let's go 100% into tourism. So we said, right, what is the big hairy goal that we could do for a business? And so we decided we wanted to be number one on TripAdvisor, okay, in New Zealand, right? So we started off with the let's be number one on TripAdvisor in New Zealand. And we thought, oh, that's pretty big. And then we tried doing that. And then we realized, oh, well, let's be number one on TripAdvisor in Rotorua. Let's start with that. Get somebody, if you don't know what you're doing well, don't do it. You're better not to do it if you're going to do it badly. Get someone who's good, get someone you trust. Christmas, New Year period is New Zealand's party time. We are lucky enough to be obviously a wine producer, so making things like sparkling wine, things like rosé, seasonal products. We do move towards doing more summer-based things. People like to drink wine in the summer. The challenges with us is that we're a small room, and because the number of people that ring up, hey, can we do our dinner party or our Christmas party in here? And you're a bit, oh, we'd love to, but we can't because we don't have enough room. A lot of people go out to restaurants. Between now and just before Christmas, we'll do a massive turnover of restaurant wine.